Konnichiwa, good evening. I am in Tokyo, Japan, and behind me is the Park Hyatt Tokyo Hotel. It's currently closed. It featured in the 2003 film Lost in Translation, featuring Bill Murray and Scarlett Johansson in the Scarlett Coppola directed film. So come forward. See, Park Hyatt Tokyo. A bit of a fun fact, if you want to zoom into that foyer for me please. Just have a little zoom in. One thing that was quite funny and interesting tonight was I didn't realise there was two entrances the same. So what is the problem is we actually got the wrong side of the building, which was quite funny. Unfortunately we spoke to one of the building users in there because there was also a bunch of businesses. They operate the top bunch of floors I understand, and the rest are all offices. And she said, like, I know the film was filmed here. So anyway, fun fact was we got the wrong foyer and we can't go up and film it because it's all fenced off. So the film I've taken tonight is the other foyer. I'll let you know that right now. But I'll make a little video. Alright, so Lost in Translation.